Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice algebra problem, which is x plus 3. This is equal to x. So what is the value of x given that x is not equal to 0? Now let's prevent a solution from here. Now let's approach this problem by applying two methods here. Let's start with method 1. In the first step here, we have x plus 3. This is equal to x. So let's take this x on the right hand side so that we have here 3 is equal to x minus x. So that now here we have 3, this is equal to x minus x, this is equal to 0. From here, there is no way 3 can be equal to 0. So from method 1 here, there is no solution. In this case, there is no solution here. We have an empty set. So the question here is, does this problem has a solution? So let's check from method 2. Let's check method 2 from here. We have x plus 3. This is equal to x. So the first step to do here, let's square both sides. And you find that x plus 3 raised to the power of 2. This is in the form of a plus b raised to the power of 2. This is equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. Now applying this algebraic identity from here, then we have x squared plus, we have, this is 3x times 2, then plus 3 squared, this is equal to x squared. The next step is that x squared and x squared here simplifies, so that now here we have 3x times 2, this is 6x, then plus 3 squared, this is equal to 9, and then this is equal to 0. So let's take plus 9 on the right hand side, so that now we have 6x, this is equal to minus 9. So let's divide both sides by 6, so that now here we have that x is equal to, let's simplify here, minus, this is minus 9 divided by 3. So if you simplify by 3 here, this becomes minus 3 divided by 6 divided by 3, this is 2. So we have that x here is equal to minus 3 over 2. So the next step from here, let's verify that this value of x satisfies the equation. Now let's verify that this value of x, which is minus 3 over 2, satisfies the equation. So if you recall, we have that x plus 3, this is equal to x. Let's substitute x, which is minus 3 over 2 plus 3. This is equal to minus 3 over 2. So from here, from the left hand side, 3 is a whole number, so this is over 1. So this implies that the LCM here is 2, so that now 2 divided by 2, here it's 1, 1 times minus 3, this is minus 3, then plus 2 divided by 1, this is 2 times 3, this is equal to 6, and this is equal to minus 3 over 2. So we have minus 3 plus 6, this is equal to 3 over 2, and this is equal to minus 3 over 2. Now, given the property that a, remember 3 over 2 is not equal to minus 3 over 2. But now, if you have a equal to b, this implies that a squared is also equal to b squared. And this implies that if we introduce the magnitude, or rather the modulus, that is the magnitude of A, this is equal to the magnitude of B. So, applying this property of magnitude, then we have that the magnitude of 3 over 2, this is equal to the magnitude of minus 3 over 2. And in this case, you find that 3 over 2 is equal to 3 over 2. So, in this case, then we find that x equal to minus 3 over 2 will satisfy the equation. So let me know your thoughts about this math problem. Do you think it has a solution? If you have a method, then you can comment in the comment section. You can just solve it in the comment section. See you in the next video.